这家专业生产工业母机的企业带来的大家伙吸引了一众观众的目光。
我们带来了一台国内首发，也是全球首发的整体液盘加工中心，是我们的一个专有产品。
What is innovation? Even when we're already good enough, we believe excellence never stops at the present. For time, quality, and cost, we never stop. With craftsmanship, we build the perfect partner, completing every piece of the puzzle to perfection. Our machine enables one clamp, one cut shaping of integral impellers, turbine discs, blades, and tenon slots. It dramatically reduces machining time and manufacturing cost. For aerospace special materials, super alloys, high hardness metals, and difficult target materials, it delivers superior cutting performance. With broaching, milling, and grinding, it replaces traditional broaching for turbine disc tenon slots, achieving efficient roughing at very low cost. For integral impellers, it cuts rough milling time from nearly 2 weeks to half, and reduces cost to 1/10. World's first Fivexis TCP function on a wire-cut EDM machine. Maintains vertical wire with 5-axis CNC motion of the workpiece, maximizing stable EDM performance. Max machining diameter is 1,200 millimeters. Dual axis design ensures high precision for all sizes. Medium speed wire cut, precision and cutting speed both assured. Anti-vibration molybdenum wire guide, outer diameter 3 millimeters. Automatic wire threading with high success rate, greatly shortening machining cycles. Constant tension servo wire tensioner, automatically adjusts wire tightness, eliminating machining vibration. Chrome-plated wire drum improves wear resistance between drum and wire. For high-precision transmission, BC axes use S-servo motors plus high-precision reducers, plus high-precision encoders, servo motor directly coupled to ball screw. X-Y axes with linear scale feedback, precise transmission, heavy preloaded linear roller guides, low friction, high load capacity, stable, and reliable system. Domestic independent EDM CNC system, proven through extensive industrial applications, offering mature, reliable, and stable performance. Full mastery of EDM technology. CAM software automatically generates ruled envelope surfaces. Machining allowance freely adjustable. Safe distance between guide and workpiece adjustable. Automatically generates wire cut toolpaths and simulates wire motion. Unique interpolation algorithm with precise wire radius compensation. Finally, paired with our self-developed 5D gain high performance EDM pulse power supply, ensuring high efficiency and quality. Low wire wear, committed to innovation, deeply focused on aerospace. We provide efficient, precise, and reliable full process precision. Machining solutions. We tackle core technologies to help upgrade China's aerospace manufacturing, building a solid foundation for a stronger manufacturing nation. Innovation never ends. CCMT stays committed to independent innovation, strengthening the foundation of domestic high-end equipment. With craftsmanship quality, we elevate precision manufacturing, continuously driving the localization of high-end equipment with powerful momentum.